going to be a long video. If you want to see your boxes, they're on the end of the last video for the mixer because I never stopped it, I guess. All right, but this is a new video for this case. This is Paul's personal case. Ready to go. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get all the packs out since you're doing the whole case. I'm just going to get all the packs out at once. Maybe you get a hot case. That's a graded card there. Cool. Whew. That's 5. 2 more to go. I wasn't even watching basketball tonight. Who won the game tonight? Didn't Cleveland and Toronto play tonight? I wasn't even watching. I didn't even have the basketball turned on. All right, 7 packs. Cavs won. Nice. Bowman. This year's Bowman rack packs and 14 chrome. Thanks, Kenny. Good luck, Mr. Paul. Nothing in that one. I'm sure there's going to be an extra autograph in this one. I have faith. See, I have faith. Faith is a good thing. I don't know who that is. To $4.99, Guerrero Lambert for the Blue Jays. See, I had faith that there was an autograph in there, and there it was. Power of positive thinking, right, Mr. Les? All right, let's start off with, looks like Joey Votto patch autograph rookie from Bowman Sterling. Yep, 2007, Joey Votto relic autograph prospect. Joey V. And holy crap! 48 of 99, Andrew McCutchen, Triple Threads, Rising Stars. Is that 2005? Or two? I don't know if that's his true rookie, but that's pretty cool. On card, Andrew McCutchen from Triple Threads. Better than a kick in the knee. It's better than a kick in the knee. Looks like Diamond Kings and 16 Bowman. Yeah, that was 2005 Topps Chrome first card or something like that. Yeah, his is a true rookie. I don't think that's a true rookie, but it's still pretty nice. It got me all excited. I thought that was something Kirby Puckett. They don't make any more his stuff either. All right, first card. 9 of 20, the Iron Man from Elite, Cal Ripken. The Iron Man, Cal Ripken. And Steven Matz, 9/10 for the Mets. Numbered 40 of 99. Yeah, I mean, everybody seems to really be on his bandwagon too. Yep, 10 Chrome and 16 Finest. Yeah, I know a couple other people that are really big on him. And that Cal Ripken guy, he's all right. That Cal Ripken guy's all right. Not numbered. Not numbered. The Finest this year looks nice. I hate the fact that those cards warp like that. Yeah, too injury prone, you're right. Uh-oh. They don't make any more of those anymore either. All-time greats, front row series. Ernie Banks, Mr. Cub. On card. And a 99 on card autograph, John Schmaltz. Man. Well, you're not losing money, that's for sure. Buy a couple cases of this, you can start one hell of a collection if you want to keep it. Prism. This is the stuff with the powder. I hate this stuff. This powder stuff gets all over everything. Now yeah, that's the way I am. I sell now, but for 22 years, after this pack, I'll show you. 22 years, I didn't sell one thing. I collected for a long time before I sold anything. But now it's just too overwhelming. Not bad. Encapsulated from Topps Tribute, David Cone. And Harmon Killebrew, Bat Relic, 2 of 5. Harmon Killebrew, 2 of 5, Bat Relic. It got to be too much. It just got to be too much. I couldn't do it anymore. My wife was like, I got the attic full, the laundry room full, half the garage full. It just got to be too much. I had to start selling some stuff. Looks like Bowman Jumbo and Elite Extra Edition. Bowman Jumbo. Maybe there's an extra autograph here. Let me think. Let me feel it. Ooh, yeah, it feels like an extra autograph. Feels like an autograph in this one. But I have been wrong before. I guess I'm wrong this time. Yeah, I'm wrong. No extra autograph in that one. Alrighty. Miguel Franco, Gypsy Queen on-card autograph. Don't see a number on there. It ain't over till it's over. 3 of 25, Yogi Berra, flag patch autograph. Manufactured flag patch autograph, Yogi Berra. It ain't over till it's over. I got a Yogi Berra autograph and a Yogi Berra baseball up there. I got 2 Yogi Berra autographs someplace. I just can't find everything anymore. All right, 2 boxes left, buddy. There's a premium pack. Probably another, I don't know if it's museum. It might be museum. Looks like it might be museum. Yeah, it might be museum. Dummy card, base. Haven't got a lot of extra hits in the packs. Nope, it is 5-star. 5-star baseball. Rick Porcino and Carlos Delgado. 5-star baseball. That was a $120 pack of cards when it came out. It's not that much anymore, I don't think. But Robbie Cano, 3 of 5. 3-color patch autograph. Robbie Cano. And Troy Tulowitzki, rookie signatures from SPX. SPX rookie autograph, Troy Tulowitzki. That's not a bad card right there. I like old Troy Tulowitzki. What's that, the Troy Tulowitzki? Or the Robbie Cano? Both? Both? I know what that one card is. I know what series it's from. And I know who I have out of that series. It might be Barry Bonds. I don't know if it's autographed or not. I'm a Barry Bonds guy. I love Barry Bonds. I know everybody else hates him, but I like him. Nothing in that pack. Derek Campbell die cut to 200. Oh, they're making another football series. It's going to be a 75 case football series, and it's going to be exclusive to AAA Collectibles and myself. So we'll have another football product in about 2 weeks. Another fantasy break football. Yep, that's what I was thinking. That's Ken Griffey. Ken Griffey Bat Relic, piece of the game. This is from way back, like 2000, I think. Because I have the Barry Bonds one. What year is that? I can't see it, so damn small. Yeah, 2000. That's back from 2000, so that probably means this is going to be a pretty good hit, even though that's a nice hit. You don't need to. You don't want to see this one. It's no good. It's no good, Paul. You don't want to see that one. You don't want to see that one, do you? 9/5/10, 2015, framed mini autograph, Mike Trout. Holy crap! Well, Paul, I think you could well, Canes fan Bob, you weren't in here earlier, were you? You want to see what started all this, Canes fan? You want to see what started all this? Derek Jeter, Gem Mint 10. That's what started it. Then that came out. And then that came out. Oh my gracious goodness. Oh, I don't have any more of this stuff till tomorrow. I'll be doing some more breaks of it tomorrow. Yeah, the Willie Mays relic. Yeah, I'm glad you did so well, Paul. Congrats. I definitely get nervous when people drop that kind of money on cases, so when they produce, it makes me happy. He did 3 boxes and then he busted a case, and the case was pretty damn nasty. I mean, the names coming out of this case are just ridiculous. Ernie Banks. You didn't have one. Now you do. I don't have one either. That's why I'm going so hard on this stuff. I'm trying to get a Trout. I don't have a lot as much baseball stuff as football stuff. I know. It was crazy. All right, guys. I got to get off, get these videos uploaded. I'm going to upload that video, Paul, just because people like to watch it, watch the stuff being opened. Because I did save it. I'll put it under, I'll just put Paul's personal case so they won't know exactly who it is.